All right, here we are. Jayme King with you, Facebook Live, Monday edition. That came around fast, did it? You know, the weather today, kind of like yesterday, where we have these rain bands move on through and then a nice lull, warm and humid. Let's jump into things right now for you, show you what's doing. It's all about 70s, pretty much. I mean, we're 80 now at Melbourne, so what we're finding is a little more sunshine slipping in from just south of Orlando to Kissimmee and down to Melbourne. That has been the greatest temperature spike this morning. And here's a look at live weather radar, and that rain we've been tracking all morning long slowly beginning to diminish and wrap up, moving up and away out of the viewing area. It's over eastern Marion County right now and heading into Jacksonville and in the coastal Georgia. Heaviest stuff closest to the east central shoreline you see there over the Gulf Stream waters. There is some intensity out at sea right now at some of these rain areas and exhibiting quite a bit of lightning. Over 130 strikes, in fact, I've recorded here in the Weather Center over about the last 30 to 45 minutes. But bottom line, it looks as though just one of those days where the rain will likely return. Here's what's going on. Let me show you what's doing here. As we take a look, you see the rain bands now marching steadily off to the north and east. There should be more developing through here as the southeast sea breeze begins to develop, so that should help to prop up some of these storms as they redevelop and exit the east central side beaches before dark tonight. And that would have a little bit of strength in nature, a little more intensity to them as they move on through. So I'm going to leave the chance of rain, your coverage scheme today, at 70%. Again, the best bet for us here in Orlando and the surrounding vicinity. And not talking north central Florida where it's been raining all morning. Down this way, east central side, generally after 12 o'clock, coverage scheme at 70%. And regardless of clouds and rain, we're still going back into the mid-80s today. Here's a look at how it pans out. Area-wide, 85 Orlando, 86 Kissimmee. A little warmer down south at Winter Haven, St. Cloud, and Kissimmee due to more sunshine down that way. And then for tonight, it's warm and sultry at all locations. We'll be wrapping up the rain, and we'll be saying hello to a good-looking midweek peak. It looks like by Wednesday at about 84, we hold the 80s and sunny conditions into next weekend. We dry up the rain chances for the meanwhile, and it looks like lows again consistently through the 60s. Make sure you tune in bright and early tomorrow morning for GDO, but of course, do not miss Chief Meteorologist Glenn Richards tonight, Fox 35 News at 5, updating the weather scheme behind me here as we trend much drier through midweek. We'll talk to you all soon. Have a great day, and thanks for joining us here on Facebook Live. Have a good one.